How to insert videos in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's learn on how to easily insert videos in your PowerPoint. So this is perfect for student, professionals or anyone looking to create more engaging slideshows. So without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your PowerPoint presentation is open and ready. And now after that, you simply need to select the slide where you want to add the video. And after that, head to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Click on Video button at the right side of your screen. And now here you simply need to select Online Video or simply Video on my PC and choose. Now locate the video where you have and open a particular folder or the video and click on Insert button. So if your video is on YouTube or another platform, you can choose online videos and copy the URL of the video and paste it into the box. Or if you have your own, you can simply bring the video like this from the folder and then you can easily locate the video wherever you would like to. So let me add this video at the bottom left corner of the slide. And once done, you can easily have more customizations on your video by going to the Format tab or the Video Format tab. And then you can add borders, apply effect, and adjust the playback options. So that's how you can easily insert a video in PowerPoint effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.